draw Pedro pony splashing around in a muddy puddle. Grab your art supplies, and let's bring Pedro's puddle adventures to life. Pedro is all smiles as he leaps, hops, and makes big muddy splatters everywhere. Pedro loves pretending he's a cowboy riding through muddy lands. He always searches for the biggest puddle to make the loudest splash. How high can Pedro jump? Can you show me your biggest jump? Sometimes, his hat flies off while he's jumping, and it lands in the mud. Observe how Pedro Pony's eyes opened. He likes to take in his surroundings. Pedro enjoys taking a break to look at the mud ripples he creates. How big do you think the muddy puddle is? As big as a rug or a swimming pool? Pedro likes using his hooves to create swirly mud patterns. What kind of fun shapes might Pedro create with his hooves in the mud? Stars, hearts, or spirals? Perfect! Our drawing of Pedro Pony splashing in his muddy puddle is complete. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Grab your crayons or markers and add vibrant colors to make this picture extra colorful. Pedro tries to catch raindrops while playing in puddles. Do you like playing in the rain too, just like Pedro? What's your favorite rainy day activity? He makes a funny sound with his hooves when stomping in the mud. Clip-clop, splish-splash. If you could name Pedro's puddle game, what would you call it? Maybe Muddy Madness? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Pedro invites his friends to have mud races in the puddles. Before puddle time, Pedro proudly shows off his shiny blue boots. Not so clean afterward. He loves making up muddy jokes while he's splashing. What did the puddle say to the rain? Let's make a splash-tacular team. If you were drawing a friend for Pedro, who would you pick to play in the muddy puddle? Awesome work, Pinky friends! Our drawing of Pedro Pony splashing in the muddy puddle looks fantastic. Be proud of our art and show it to everybody. Thank you for drawing with me today. Keep having fun, and I can't wait to draw with you again soon.